First, navigate to Webflow.com and locate the Templates section in the primary navigation. Click on it to access the extensive template library. Now, apply the free filter to reveal a curated selection of professionally designed templates available at no cost. Take your time to browse and discover a template that aligns with your project's vision. Once you've found an ideal template, click on it for a preview if it meets your expectations. Click the Use Template button. This action will initiate a new project in your Webflow dashboard, pre-populated with the chosen template's design elements. You are now in the Webflow Designer, ready to personalize your site. The template provides a foundational structure with pre-existing sections such as headers, feature blocks, and contact forms. Begin by customizing the text content. Click on any text element, such as a heading or paragraph, and simply type in your desired text. You have the flexibility to modify all labels, descriptions, and calls to action to match your brand. Replacing images is equally intuitive. Select an image, navigate to its element settings, and choose the Replace Image option. You can upload your own images or utilize the stock photos provided by Webflow. Easily adjust colors to reflect your brand identity. Select an element, like a button or a background section, and utilize the color options within the Style panel to select your preferred hues. Webflow templates are inherently responsive. Employ the toggles at the top of the designer to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views, making any necessary adjustments for optimal appearance across all devices. Once your customizations are complete, it's time to publish. Click the Publish button located in the top right corner. You can opt for an immediate publication to a free Webflow subdomain, or connect your custom domain for a more polished presentation. Congratulations! You've successfully created a professional website using a free Webflow template. You've achieved this efficiently and cost-effectively, resulting in a fully responsive site ready to make an impact.